Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what speed to no longer set your 8mm Bolex to. And that speed is definitely at 64 frames per second right here. Quite frankly, I would even run it at 48, but definitely no longer at 64 on this dial. This is simply because these Bolex cameras are getting so old and up into age that the spring motor located here under the crank key inside could have a little bit of rust on it, anything. And when you run it at this speed at 64, even when you go to stop and you let your finger off the trigger, it could jump gears, the motor inside could break. Now understand, the motor inside under the crank key here, inside, is very much like that of an old-fashioned clock motor. It's a spring. So any type of rust, any abrasions on it due to the age of the camera could make it jump gears. It could break the spring off inside. Understand there are no longer any new parts manufactured, and you'd have to have another spare camera for junk parts to replace the motor. Alright, so do keep this in mind. As you can see, I've got mine set to 18 frames a second in red down here on the little dot on the frames per second dial. So don't set it at 64 frames per second. It's just not recommended. And again, I wouldn't even feel safe at 48, and I don't. Alright? So I hope this helps you filmmakers of 8mm Bolex cameras. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.